Really cool day. We had a special guest, Ms. Marsha, join us, who's also a school counselor too. And so we worked with your young folks with exploring emotions again through storytelling. We used the movie Soul as an example for how emotions can come in many different layers and also influence storytelling. So they had the opportunity to explore their own personal stories and their own personal stories using sentence prompts. So they talked about, some students talked about challenges they faced or moments where they were excited and happy or challenges they've had to overcome. But we really got into speaking about emotions and talking about how they are experienced and how they influence storytelling. Y'all want to talk about the emotions that y'all share via your music, like what it represents?
And surprise.
Excited and surprised. What's the name of your track?
The spiders.
The Spiders.